Hello and welcome to InfoComm 2026. My name is Adi and we are here at the DPA booth to talk about the N-Series wireless system. The N-Series has been shipping in the US for about 6 months now, but we have some very cool things for the show. Like we are showing our new firmware where not only allow us to park our mics on the duplex gap, the unlicensed part, and of course if you have license you can use the whole duplex gap, but also it gives us the opportunity to do updates of firmware via USB, which is a very, very new thing, and not a lot of people actually have that. A lot of people rely on the infrared for firmware updates. We now, because our transmitters have USB-C, we can tap direct on the USB-C and upgrade your firmware direct there.